Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug nothing yet, but prepare the hardware. First, identify the MP3 headphone versus true line out. Line is best for clean level. Make sure the amplifier has an AUX or line input labeled RCA or 3, 5 mm. Once identified, choose a 3, 5 mm to RCA cable or a straight 3, 5 mm cable for AUX. Keep the amplifier powered off and volume down so you avoid pops. This protects speakers and gives predictable levels when you make the first connection. Now perform the only correct connection. Insert the 3, 5 mm plug into the MP3 output and route the RCA ends to the amplifier's left and right line/AUX inputs. Once done, select that input on the amplifier and leave volume at low. Play a track and slowly raise volume to listening level. Do this because headphone outputs can vary and clipping will damage speakers. If your MP3 outputs digital only, use a small DAC to convert to analog before RCA into the finish by optimizing levels. Set the MP3 near 70% and use the amplifier's volume and tone controls to taste. If you hear hum, ensure cables are fully seated, move them from power transformers, and try another input. If there's no sound, confirm the amp input is selected and the MP3 isn't muted. For players with digital-only outputs, insert a DAC between the player and amp. That converts signal to the analog RCA line the amplifier requires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.